Hi, welcome back to OSPARK channel and back to the tutorial for computer architecture and organization. This tutorial definitely helpful for clear the gate, UGC NET, some of the university as well as exam also. Let's go for session today. Today we are going to see a small topic where we are going to solve the gate problem. The year of 2018 or 17 ask the question. The topic is called what is stage delay in pipeline, and the question how do you solve the problem in based on the stage delay in the area of computer architecture and organization. The previous session I explained about the introduction to pipelining. Just I get up to what is pipelining and why you need and how to use in the real time and so on. I hope that you understand how it will reduce the access time as well as the improve the performance of the computer as well as the improve the increase the throughput as well as the achieve the parallelism also. Let's go for session today. Today we can see the problem and we see the diagram also for understanding purpose. A question given like this: a 4-stage pipeline has the stage delays as 150, 120, 160 and 140 nanoseconds respectively. The registers used are used between the stages and have a delay of 5 nanoseconds. And assuming that constant clock rate, the total time taken to process 1000 data times on the pipeline will be what? The given 4 answer: 120.4, 160.5, 165.5 and 590.0 microseconds like that. So here assume that we have 4 stage, here in pipeline what happened, the input of one pipeline depends on another one, the second similarly the another pipeline's input depends on another one and so on. Connectivity is like a pipe or a chain structure. So here there what you understand me, there will be a 4-stage pipeline. It have a delay of 150, 120, 160, 140 and registers used 4 registers used here because 4 stage so 4 registers and each register having the delay of 5 seconds, remember, and the clock rate also given 1000 like that. Let's go for another mode for better clarity and understanding. So here we can see the diagram where you have let's assume that the diagram where stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 are giving the delay of 150, 120 and 160, at last 140 and so on. So now the registers equally is one constant clock rate given. So here registers having the equal delay, that 5 seconds, 5 seconds and 5 seconds and this also 5 seconds. So you have to add this also. So if you want to find this total time taken for the pipeline, S1 pipeline is what? 155 and similarly S2 attack 120 plus 5 125 and this one taken S3 taken S3 taken 165, so S3 taken 165 and this S4 taken 145. So now we have formula for solve this problem, that is we can use the formula like time taken for the first data item, time taken for the first data item plus time taken for remaining 900 data. It's a general formula, but whenever consider this pipeline concept, here to take which pipeline having the most delay. So here which is having this 155 S1, S2 120, but S3 taken 165 and S4 take 145. So which is having the highest delay means S3. So we have to consider that only consider this is the first data item. So we can take this 165 as a delay, pipeline delay, and we can calculate and solve the problem. Let's back to PPT. There we have formula and solved here. So easy and simple. Don't panic when you get this diagrams. Just understand this problem and you can catch what are the register, what are the nanoseconds given and everything. Now formula applying. So now is equal to, you are writing 1 is equal to 1 into 1 multiplies 4 clock cycles plus 999 into 1 clock cycle here. So 1000 data times, so we can say 1 minute delay. So we can follow like this. So 4 multiplies cycle time into plus 999 multiplies cycle time. Now I just now told you we can take the maximum pipeline delay, that is 165. So you can write 4 stages. So I am writing 4 into 165 nanoseconds plus 999 into 165 nanoseconds. Now what you will get answer if you solve? Here you will get 164.8359. At last you will get 165 495 nanoseconds. If you want to convert the nanosecond to somewhat normal digits, what you can the formula 10 power minus 9. So 10 power minus 9, if you calculate approximately you get the answer of what? 165.4. So 165.5 approximately get the nanoseconds of microseconds of 165.5. So whenever the problem asked, you just check what are the stages, how many is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Some problem they ask up to stage 6, and they give the intervals and nanoseconds. Everything has to clear and make the formula, and you can solve the answer. Now you can pick the answer. So what is the answer now? The answer is the C. So here we can select the answer C. So here C is the answer. So I am highlighting the C is the answer here. So 165.5 microseconds is the answer. So like that you can solve the stage delay concept in the area pipelining in COS subject. And if you have any queries or comments, please kindly communicate with us in the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates.